Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to hide address on Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to know how you can easily hide or remove address from your Shopify online store, especially on the packaging or on the delivery slip, then this tutorial should be very helpful for you. So, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to my Shopify admin panel, and as a developer I have to go to my partner account because I have a lot of store in here of my store, also others clients store. So I'm going to log in on the Shopify partner account. Very easy process. Then click on the select an account. I'm going to select my Pfizer IT Institute. Then click on the store. You can directly log in your admin panel as you wish. So going to log in Horizon theme customize, this one, and this store only for show the complete customization of Horizon theme. Okay, then this is the Shopify admin panel. You already very familiar with this interface. So click on the settings. I don't tell you a lot of history to waste your time to make the video too much long. Very simple process. Just follow the step and take action and get result. So in here you have to click on the shipping and delivery. Okay. In here you have to do a simple tags. This is very easy. Just follow the step. Scroll down and you have to find out. Looks very carefully. Shipping document, and you can see that packaging slip template. You have to find out it. So click on this template, and now you can see that a lot of code, but don't worry, you don't have to write any single code, or you don't have to do any coding. Just simply press Ctrl F from your keyboard and search shop underscore address, and then paste enter, and you can see that here is a line of code shop underscore dot summary, and simply you have to select from bar this line and remove. So easy. Then click on the save. Wow, we have done. Very simple and easy process. So I hope you understand the total step-by-step guideline how to remove address from your Shopify online store, or especially on the packaging slip, and how you can do this without hiring any developer, without any coding skill. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.